When teaching two-digit addition with regrouping, before I even think about the traditional algorithm, I start with base 10 blocks. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I help primary math teachers keep their students on task and learning. Using base 10 blocks to add really helps your students visualize numbers instead of just memorizing the steps to a process. So I like to start with using base 10 blocks. I like these magnetic ones because then I can show them on the board and show the math, and then the students can come up and do it too. Let's get started solving 29 plus 14. So the first thing I would do is build 29 with the base 10 blocks. So that's 2 10s, 10, 20, and then 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to build the 14 ones. 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm ready to start adding. I need to regroup because 9 ones plus 4 ones is greater than 10. So to show that, I'm just going to take 1 away from the 14 and move it over here with the 9 from 29. But instead of counting all of those ones, I will take those 10 away and I will replace it. So now I'm ready to count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, and then I write the answer. So 29 plus 14 is 43. After I show the students how to add with base 10 blocks and I give them practice, then I move on to drawing sticks and dots. Sticks are 10s and dots are 1s. So for this example, I would draw 2 sticks. So 20 and then 9 dots for 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then over here, I would draw my 14. So a 10 and then my 4 1s. Then I'm ready to regroup. So I'm going to take this one and move it over here. I'm going to circle a group of 10 1s and I'm going to cross it out. Then I'm going to show that I replaced those 10 1s with 1 10. Now I'm ready to count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Same answer as I got when I used my base 10 block. Once my students have plenty of practice with the physical base 10 blocks and drawing sticks and dots, then I can give them practice worksheets where the base 10 blocks are already drawn. Let's look at this worksheet that I have available in my TPT store. The first thing you would do is you would circle 10 1s with this. And then I'm going to cross that out to show that I'm going to replace it with 1 10. Just like that. Now I'm ready to count the 10s. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I'm going to count the ones that are left over. 1, 2. So my answer for this problem is 82. Watch out for your students when they're adding with regrouping. Sometimes they might draw an extra 1 or they might draw an extra 10. They might cross out 11 ones or only 9 ones. And all of those mess up their answer. So when you work in small groups, you can really address those misconceptions and mistakes that students might make. If you're ready to save yourself time, build confidence in your students, you can grab those worksheets at my TPT store. The link is in the description. Make sure you subscribe so you know when the next strategy drops. Bye!